everyone, I'm Meenakshi and I welcome you to my channel. So today I'll be making the most favorite snack of you all, that is crispy potato chips. The specialty of these potato chips is it is no fried, healthy potato chips. So let's quickly start. I have taken 4 potatoes, you can take in any amount. So just wash them off and tap dry them with kitchen towel. So you do not have to remove the skin of these potatoes. So I'll be just cutting them with the skin itself. Now take a sharp knife, remove the top part of the potatoes and very slowly just cut the potatoes in very thin slices. So you need to be very patient here. Take your time properly and cut very thin round slices. The thinner the potato slices will be, the more crispier they will become. So cut very thin round slices of potatoes. These potato chips are amazingly delicious, really unbelievable that you can make in microwave in just 5 minutes. So believe me guys, it is true. So now take a ice cold water and put the potato slices in the cold water to remove the excess starch. So now you need to dip them for at least 5 minutes so that the excess starch is removed from the potatoes. So after you have dipped them in ice cold water, just take it out from it and keep it on the kitchen towel. Just keep all the potatoes in the roti napkin and you need to dry them properly. So tap them and dry all the potato slices. Make sure they are properly dried out. So now for the seasoning you will need a bowl and all the ingredients, which are paprika, this is parsley, red chili powder and salt. So now add 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon salt according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon parsley, dried parsley it is. So this is half teaspoon paprika. So I bought them all from the Easy Day. These seasonings are totally optional. You can even add simple salt and red chili powder. Now add 1 teaspoon olive oil to it. Just 1 teaspoon. See the size of the spoon. And just sprinkle all the mixed spices you have made on it and mix it well. Now take a butter paper on the plate and keep all the potato slices on it. Make sure that on the plate you first keep the parchment paper, that is butter paper, and then keep your potato slices. So keep one by one like this, and you need to microwave for 3 minutes. So this is 1200 watt microwave, so I have kept it for 3 minutes and as you can see it is turned light brown in color. So now flip the side with the help of the tongs. And again you have to keep in the microwave for just 1 minute. So the timings may vary guys. It may cook before or may take more time. So do not be impatient. It will take time. So as you can see it has turned light golden brown in color now. So these are ready. So crispy and crunchy. You will truly be amazed to have its taste. So enjoy these potato chips at home guys, and do let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. This is so simple and easy recipe, and do give a try once. But before going, please hit the like button, click on subscribe and the bell icon for regular notifications. See you soon. Bye.